This is what happens when your cat poops or pees in a new PetPivot automatic scooping litter box. And don't worry, you're not gonna be paying $700 for this one. Usually, it's automatic. Watch this. It takes clean litter and buries the waste first, so it will lock in the smell and dry everything out to prevent it from smearing all over the inside, which was a huge problem with my old expensive robot. This one smeared all over the box. It was disgusting. If you are worried about safety, look. If your cat jumps in while the cleaning process is going on, it will immediately stop and wait for it to get out. Once it separates clean litter from clumps, it drops the waste into this massive 2.6-gallon bin below. Notice, unlike other litter boxes, this one does not fully close, so your cat is not going to get trapped or pinched inside the litter box. Plus, there are also extra safety sensors here, here, and here. For one cat, you only need to empty this once every twice a month. When it's full, just pull this yellow tab to seal the back shot, so you never have to see or smell the mess again. Stop overpaying for litter boxes. I tagged the PetPivot below. It has 120,000 sales and a 4.6-star rating because it just works. It ships fast from New Jersey and includes the mat and 10 months of bags for free. If the link is there, you can still unlock the triple discount. Flash sale pricing, free shipping, and maybe extra codes at checkout. Grab it before the restock runs out again.